Welcome to this week's Technology Thursday with C&B Operations. I'm Jeff Buyck, and I want to cover a few things about your John Deere electrified planter before you go to the field this spring. So let's take a look at the Gen 4 monitor and SeedStar 3 HP and a few settings you may want to check before you hit the field. Another question we commonly get is around map-based prescriptions. And so when you go into a map-based prescription, we're going to go to Setup, and we're going to go into the hybrid that we're planting, and down here for target rate or prescription rate we can hit controller rate, and then we can choose a prescription to load. So for example, I'll just choose a map-based prescription. It is seeding count, and on this page for the prescription we can change the look ahead if we need to. 0.3 seconds is a great place to be. But one thing I want to make sure you all check is in the prescription edit area. We want to go down in here and take a look at the out of zone rate. And so no GPS rate will maintain the previous rate that you had. That's an okay box to have checked. But by default this will be 0. And so you want to go in and put whatever rate that you want to in here for seeding your corn, your soybeans, or whatever product you have out there. So if any reason you get too close to the edge of the map-based prescription, it defaults to this rate. If that's set to 0 and your map-based prescription doesn't go beyond your field boundaries, the rate will then change to 0. So your planter will stop seeding on those rows. So it's just one thing you want to watch out for when you're using map-based prescriptions. That's just another quick thought as you get ready to go to the field this spring. With C&B Operations, I'm Jeff Buyck, committed to being your dealer of choice.